If you plan to stay in Colorado for more than 90 days and you want to drive, you'll need a Colorado driver's license, even if you already have an international driving permit. Here's a step-by-step guide. The first step is to get an instruction permit, unless you already hold a valid license from another U.S. state. Before you're issued a license, the DMV will also check that your driving record is clear of suspensions, revocations, or unpaid traffic fines. To start, you'll need to pass the written knowledge test. This test is based on the Colorado Driver Handbook and covers signs, laws, and safe driving practices. You can take the test at a DMV office without an appointment, or you can complete it through an approved driving school and bring your test completion form to the DMV. Once you've passed, you can apply for your instruction permit. Bring proper identification, such as your passport, visa, or immigration documents if applicable, and proof that you live in Colorado. You'll need 2 documents that show your address, like a lease, utility bill, or bank statement. Photocopies are not accepted. Then, you'll also take a vision test to make sure you meet the minimum eyesight requirement. Then, you'll pay the permit fee. After you've practiced driving and feel confident, you'll move on to the driving skills test. This test checks how safely you handle a vehicle in real traffic situations. You'll need to bring your own car, make sure it's registered, insured, and in safe condition, and book an appointment for the test. You can also take this test with a certified driving school and bring your completion form back to the DMV. When you're ready to apply for the full driver's license, bring the same ID documents, proof of address, and your completed test results. At the DMV, they'll check your driving record, take your photo and fingerprints, and confirm that you meet all requirements. Finally, you'll pay the license fee and receive your Colorado driver's license.